Good morning, beautiful morning, everyone. You're watching J Park Fishing. My name is Joey. I'm out here. Came to the same spot I went to in the last video because I was just really soured about not filming the release of that redfish. So I came out here hoping to do better. Anyways, it's a outgoing tide. It's about 65 degrees today. The high is going to be in the mid to upper 70s. Very low wind. I don't think the wind is going to go over 10 miles an hour today, and that means it's going to be, for the most part, flat. And maybe it'll pick up in the afternoon, but it won't be much. So really won't be getting pushed around today. Going to be able to fish everything. The structure is over here, the grass flats, the mangroves, and the tide is really fluid today. I believe the low is somewhere around noon, and then the high is going to be 4 to 5 p.m. So probably going to be fishing until sunset, and I'm okay with that because I don't work tomorrow. And yeah, ooh, look at those pelicans. What's this? I didn't foul hook a mullet, did I? That'd be so funny. What is this? Oh, trout. Surprising. Trout in there mingling with mullet. Well, I guess it's not. Alright, quit freaking out. Oh, my hook broke. The coil came off. Not bad. Okay, yeah, see? Yeah, that coil that's right here that you screw the top of the jerk shad into, those things easily come off, man. Dang. Broke skunk. Well, here we go. I'm like forgetting to turn my camera on. Trout, just casting in these mullet. They're co-mingling with them. Hopefully there's some redfish in there too. Hopefully I remember to turn my camera on. There's some. It's a trout. Well, it's not a bad one. That's a thick trout. Look at that. Just casting here in the flats when I see the sand patches, and picked up a trout on the old reliable jerk shad, Z-Man jerk shad. Ooh, what's that? Can't tell what it is. It's flipping around like crazy. Oh, it's a trout. I don't know, all I saw was sides. Thought maybe it was a jack or something. Seems like there's nothing but trout out here. I don't know. Oh god, I got it right at the top of the head. That's crazy looking. Don't move, it'll go in your brain. What's that? Another trout? Yeah. Again. God, man, my gaiters. It's all in my eyes. Trout number, I don't know. There's been quite a few. I'm trying to push up over here to this island. Ah, jeez. Here comes a boat. Had this, anyways, yeah, I was trying to push up closer to this island. See if I can get another, see if there's any reds up in there. It looks like they got the same idea. Oh, whoa. What's this? Oh no, get out of there. What is that? It's a snook. I caught a snook. Late snook. No, don't jump out. Oh my god. It's freaking out, dude. I got you. Look at that. Not a big one, but a snook nonetheless. Finally caught a different type today. Ah, thank you. Maybe possibly the last snook of 2025. Nice. I didn't think I was gonna catch another fish today. Oh man, happy about that. Oh God, if I just got a red, and I believe I've seen one out here, that'd be so sick to get a slam before the sun is like an hour out from going down, setting. So I don't know, that would be a miracle. All right, y'all, well, that's it for the day and for the year 2025. This is the last video. Yeah, I just caught a bunch of trout, and at the end there, a snook. Couldn't find the redfish. Caught a bunch of weeds, so I was kind of getting annoyed with that. But yeah, the sun is setting right now, and I would say today was sunrise to sunset, but it was kind of already risen when I got out here. So, but I mean, it's still a very long day, and I must have casted hundreds and hundreds of times. Did my best. It was kind of tough. The water was like super clear and calm, which is not always a good thing. Sometimes you want a little bit of wind and a little bit of darker water, muddier water, cloudier water, because the fish can, in clear water, you can see your fins, your shadow, your pole, they see everything. And yeah, but beautiful day nonetheless. There's the sun going down. Anyways, to my subscribers, thank you for watching this year, and Happy New Year. Thank you for subscribing, and if you're a new viewer, please consider subscribing, and I will see you all in 2026.